Hi everyone. So yeah, the AC's going. But now I'm gonna give you a good update. Alright, so I've got a pepper going. This is supposed to be the orange cayenne pepper. There's the only one there. There's been tons of flowers. And that's about it. The lemon balm is fantastic. I got some rashes in there. This needs to come up. But here's a plug-in for MIgardener. If you think that his Trifecta stuff doesn't work, oh my goodness, I used it. Look at this squash. I did not think it would do that. I'm like, oh my goodness. It's like getting taller and taller every day. And I'm like, I tried trimming these big leaves right here, because I can't get over to everything else over there, and it's kind of like blocking the sun for the Brussels sprouts. Like, so I have to walk around on the other side. My tomato gets tall, it gets flowers. We've had one tomato. I think maybe there's another one growing. I just saw it. There's some bees. Finally some bees. I was over here. I hope I didn't take that down. Where did it go? I was pouring some stuff because it needed some room. Oh well. I guess I did. I don't see it now. Shame, shame. But yeah. The flowers, everything, and nothing. Hey, you see it once and then all of a sudden it's not there again? It was right here. Ah, there it is. I see it now. Is that turning it into a tomato? Woo-hoo-hoo. That'd be our second one. Alright, let me go down here. Alright, cucumbers. I think I'm just going to, that's just all I get. That little itty bitty thing and nothing else. We get all these wonderful flowers. The only thing I've saved the flowers for is for the bees. But yeah, nothing else. So, I might pull some of this up and then leave the rest. I can grow that like that, but I can't get no cucumbers. Alright, so over here, stupid yard people have no respect for anything. Still don't know what that is. Alright, so over here at my poor calendula, I don't know, it's all these little white, see those things flying around? I've been spraying. Alright, here's my Brussels sprouts. I see little bitty babies, but that's it. We do have a pepper over here. Oh yes, we got a couple of peppers. There's one there. Here's one there. So I'm gonna have to cut this back so his son can get to it. But I've tried. I've got neem oil. I've got diatomaceous earth. I'll probably have to put some more stuff down. Because that's just like this over here is not even getting any sun at all. My beans aren't getting any sun. Oops, there you go. And I'm like really disappointed because I really wanted some beans this year. Yeah. And like I said, there's the Brussels sprouts, and that's about all it's done. And these were planted in April. So that was the second time. So April, here it is, May, June, July, must have been 4 months. I would think I should have had some by now. I don't know, but Lord have mercy, that squash. Look at that thing. That tomato plant. But I'm just really sad about my calendula. So, but I replanted some things over here. Like I said, nothing's getting sun from this right here. So, and then I'll show you all the front here in a little bit. So yesterday I went out front and I did not film this, but my cilantro has turned into coriander. So now I have some coriander seeds. Not a lot, but that's enough. I'm so excited. Alrighty, here's the front. So my bells of iron little thing, well, it's not poor, but the wind and the rain and everything. Oh my, these grass people, I tell you, broke a branch and never came back and picked it up. Look at that. Just left it there. So, and there's the other ones. They grew and didn't grow, and that one did the same. Let's see, here is this lovely burdock. Oh my goodness. This thing is huge. I'm keeping that one right there. I cut the other ones that were way over the sidewalk because, you know, that's a nice deterrent of who I was trying to set. Can you tell? A divot right there. Somebody was sitting there. It's like, what the world? Alrighty. So, but these, oh, those things, I'm telling you, those things hurt. Those things are prickly. And they grab you. So here's my other bells of Ireland, which they did well. They did grow. This one, we just haven't had any rain, so I could water them. But they actually grew. And again, you know, grass people don't give two rips. Alright, supposedly this is my lavender growing. Oh, that'd be so awesome. Here's my other sunflower. It's going to be the maroon. And I don't know, I had a lot of buds on this thing. And then all of a sudden they're gone. Did someone pick those off? Or was that from the wind and the rain from a couple weeks ago? And here's Mr. Sunflower. And we get up here. Show the sunflower. I don't know. Is there seeds in there? I think that was a spider web. But yeah, he did really well. So, but that's about it. And there's my parsley. Now this really came up after I took the the cilantro out and everything. So this one bounced back quite a bit. I'm gonna harvest some more. I had planted a ginger in there. It did nothing. Not a thing. So, but yeah, that's it. So, y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. And we'll see you next time. A live or a video.